Cody and Judd were ready for bed duty. Mom gave each boy a full plate. Dad allowed his fork, but he got too much. It did not fit in his mouth. The sense struck face. Cody gave his jacket some that hit his nose. Cody's nose was red with sand. Then Judd at some with his finger. His finger left red print on his glass of milk. Mom took a picture of her red-faced boy.